In this part of the video, I want to show you the AW-D233, which can be connected on the EVC100 and 500. So we have two types. The first one is the F module, and it only has two terminals, as you can see here, two terminals for speaker in and out. And when you connect it on the EVC, it goes to the speaker output here. You directly connect it to the speaker output and you are done. Very easy, very simple. So we highly recommend it for the EVC, this one. And the other one is the same serial number, but the model is the B model. As you can see, the B model is like this, and at the back you can see it has more terminals. The first one here is also the one you connect to the EVC for the speaker, and the others, as you can see, you have like strobe, sonder in and out, strobe in and out. So those ones are reserved if you don't want to use it no more as a speaker but only as a strobe sonder. So this one is more flexible. It's either a speaker or strobe sonder, but not both at the same time. Okay? So you can connect only the 100 to the EVC, both of them, or you use it for strobe and sonder on the addressable or conventional panels. And next part will be a test of both devices. Now in this part of the video, I will show you how the AW-D233 works with the EVC500. Okay, so as I told you in the previous video, this one will only be a speaker with this panel. So I will first start with the evacuation message. So when I send an evacuation message, you can hear it.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. There is a fire right now in the building. Please evacuate to the first floor from the nearest fire escape immediately. Please do not take the elevator and follow the guide of the staff. Thank you for your support.
So,
ladies and gentlemen,
so this one was for the evacuation message. As the EVC also has the function of being a voice emitting panel, you can have also your background music played directly by the speaker. So you see, this one only works as a flasher and speaker. Alright, now we will be doing some tests. The first test will be with the EVC. So I will just trigger the zone which it is connected to. Or I will just send an evacuation also over here. I need first to log in. Okay, and then evacuation. And some zoom to you.
ladies and gentlemen, attention please. There is a fire right now in the building. Please evacuate to the first floor from the nearest fire escape immediately. Please do not
As you can see, you can control the volume of it using this button, and it's only a speaker at this time.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please.
Now we will do the same test but with an addressable panel. And on this time you will see that it will be only a strobe sonder. So now I'm sending a fire alarm. Alright, So as you can see, when it's connected only by using strobe and sounder terminals, it will only be a strobe sounder. But if you connect it on the EVC using the 100 volts in and out, it will be a speaker. So this device can only be either strobe sounder or a speaker, but cannot be both at the same time. Okay, unless unlikely the other one. So this is the end of this video, and if you have any other question, just let us know. Thank you.